Chuck it over here as well. And they're pretty cool actually. Got a good lot on this 18650 batch. Got a downlight here, it's a Philips one. I just cleaned it up, it was absolutely full of crap. It just flashes LEDs like it's got a bad power supply. So it turns out there's actually a fan in there. It's a cool downlight, this one, I've never seen that before. Because I have a place because it was just flashing, it was faulty, so I decided to investigate it, pull this apart. So let's open it up and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's got quite a nice little fan set up in there. Here's a LED part taking the lens off the front of it so you can see the LEDs themselves. Smells like I got hot as a fan. That still turns alright. There's a power supply. This is a 12 volt AC downlight, this one. 12 volt AC dimmable, made in China. 10 watt 4000K. This is the brightest one. I don't see any bare components, but it smells like she's got hot. So that's on the back of the circuit board here. There's LEDs there. The fan goes to here. I've never seen a fan called one. 2010. They there for the 12th 2010. A fan called LED downlight. Never heard of it. Should test these LEDs, see if they're okay. They're pretty good for there's a Philips one, a good one, so not bad for something made in China. Get my multimeter later, we'll test those LEDs, see if they're okay. You see they've got a bit hot, the melted part there, but the LED itself looks fine. Wow, it's actually gotten hot and melted the bloody thing. Burnt the plastic a bit there. So I'll test this later and see if they're okay. This just goes makes a noise like that, so we'll see if we can somehow repair this. This would be good for a small little modern never ready dolphin torch or something. Put a little power supply in there with a battery and just have it into a little handheld flashlight. That'd be cool. A downlight flashlight. That'd be great for that. Well, I did try to get this circuit board out, but I slipped with a knife and snapped the resistor off here and bumped this inductor off. So I've killed it completely. Oh well. Let's hack the back of it apart, see what's inside here. Nice little fan, eh? Handy little fan. I'll see if I can win this other little circuit, make a little torch hack, flashlight hack with it. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? A downlight flashlight hack. We'll see if we can fix this one later. Get the bridge rectifier off and get this one tested up and running. I quite like this one, a good concept. I think that Philips discontinued them though. They don't make that model anymore apparently. They're going back to the old this style where it's just passive cooled. Because these fans probably, yeah, that probably explains why it died, because it had a lot of dust and shit clogged up in it. It's probably why I stopped working in the first place, because it was on for long hours and the fan, the shit built up in the fan, it couldn't cool properly. It was barely turning when I pulled it apart until I freed that fan up, so that's probably why it killed. It got too much crap in it and that's it. Overheated. So it killed it. Anyway, when I get a chance, I'll have to clear this stuff up and get this board set up again. But anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, one more thing. This Legrand power point, which is faulty from the box. Bit of Chinese garbage, but we'll give it a try. We'll see how these things work compared to Clipsaw and the Trader and the Voltex ones and the HPM ones. They're not too bad a quality as such. It's just this sort of rocker assembly was sitting in here, supposed to be there, so it clips. And it wasn't even there it's supposed to be in the factory. This was just like, yeah, stuck, not working because this wasn't in its place where it should be. So when I put it together in China on the production line, someone messed up and it fell out of place. Not as good as the older ones, but let's put it back together. I'll snap this back on to see if it works. They're not as heavy duty as the clips or ones, so these contacts. There we go, fixed it. I put it on upside down. The big side of the contact goes on the brass contact there. Now it's the right way around. Fixed. Easy fix. Now it's putting it back together. These springs fall out of place easily. These are the shutters, the safety shutters. No screws, just all clipped together design. So let's snap it back together. It's just fixed. Pretty easy. Fixed it. There we go. Now it's not fact. Fixed it. Just like new. All because of the way it was assembled in the production line. Someone dropped a piece in there, didn't check it. Pretty easy fix. It's the same company that owns HPM Legrand. Good as new. Just because someone messed up in the factory in China. On a job when you actually at the job, it's not worth fixing anyway, so just throw it in the bin. But in this scenario, just pull it apart out of curiosity and fix it. But yeah, as I said, and the job it's not worth it, just put a new one in, replace it anyway. They got plenty there. But it's just interesting to see why that would have been like that from the factory. Out of the millions that the Chinese had on the production line, that's just one that failed. They didn't realise it failed the test and they just chucked it in the box. So someone's messed up somewhere there, but anyway, that's all right, it's all good, all fixed. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.